How much money do you need in order to purchase a home? I'll tell you next. Typically, a down payment is going to be somewhere around 3% on a conventional loan for a first-time home buyer, 3.5% for FHA, or if you already owned a home within the last 3 years, it'd be 5% down on that. In addition to the down payment, you've got closing costs and prepaid items like property taxes and insurance to account for as well. So if you figure 5% for a down payment, you're also going to need approximately another 3, 4, or 5% for additional closing costs, prepaid items, and things like that. Now, the key to all this, though, is working with a great real estate agent who can write the contract for you, and we can certainly make an introduction if you need some options. They'll be able to advise you if there's any flexibility and possibly get the seller to make any contributions to your cause in order to lessen your cash out of pocket to get in a home. Now, the more you're going in with a lowball offer, the tougher it is to find a seller who's agreeable to making concessions, but keep in mind that far more often than not, when you have the choice between two equals of either seller concessions or a price drop, seller concessions are usually going to work out as being more advantageous for you as the buyer than it would be to land on a lower sales price. Also, remember there are maximum requirements as far as how much the seller can pay at closing on your behalf, so we'll be happy to chat with you or your realtor about that, so you structure your offer according to the terms that will best serve your interests. But right now, it's a great time to be a buyer. There are lots of motivated sellers out there who just came out of a holiday lull, and that could work out well for your advantage. Just because interest rates might be higher than you've been used to doesn't mean that you can't make up for it by getting into a property for much less out of pocket or for lower cost than you would have gotten before. So hopefully that helps. Happy to answer any of your purchase or refinance mortgage lending questions for either residential or commercial properties. Make it a great week.